Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing the RetraxPro XR edition. So, here's the box. It comes with two. That box and that box. Well, go ahead and put this aside. I need to cut this. Come on. Some hardware. Goes for the sides that will attach to the main sound cover. Put that here. And put that here. Here's that scratch. Okay. For any more scratches, those are identical. That one, this one. Looks like a part number C82841. Here. Packaging comes with two tubes and two spare keys. Right there. Oh, that's scratched. There's rubber keys here. I think this is gonna go at the bulk back section of the truck. That right there. Here. Oh, this thing's heavy. All right. All right, these things here. Keep saying MX. I ordered that XR.
Yeah, say hi to subscribe to me. Tell everyone I'm here.
Okay. By the way, this is my son Alonzo. He wanted to partake in the video. And please subscribe to his channel, Alonzo's Adventure. Thank you. Alright, next we're going to be taking out these tubes right here. That's just for packaging purposes. Then there's going to be a screw right here. I'm going to take this off, screw this out. Alright, leave that there. No, take that. Remove that. Place that here. This next portion. Take this off. That's right here. Let's do this. Take this off. I think it's locked. Nice. Okay. This will be on the driver's side. Slide this portion right here onto these ball bearings here, and this portion back here will be bolted here. Right. This portion right here will go right there. First screw, Philip, need two. All right. That took 5 minutes. Retrax XR is gonna go on the passenger right side. And the T-Trax will go on the right side. So it's best you pull this to you to give it a little bit of wiggle room. Now we're in. screws. All right. All right. I'm gonna have my wife help me bring the tonneau cover out. All right, next we're gonna make sure this rubber seal is seated properly. I know some YouTube videos out there, people would cut off this end in line with this bulkhead portion right here. They would cut this portion out, but I'm thinking of leaving mine on. I don't know, my car, my preference, right? We're gonna take this spacer right here that we got from unboxing our tonneau cover, and bring this back up. So they said take this spacer right here, use the very top right here, proper space, push it back, and that should be lined up properly right there. Alright, should be good. Making sure there's enough proper spacing from the tailgate to the tonneau cover here. That's driver's end. Proper spacing for the passenger end. Alright, it's in line. Now we're given 4 of these. We'll have to take it apart. Take this off. Want this back portion here turned in here. All the way here. This top portion right here will go in between these two. Gonna put back the cap. Take this clip off. Slide this through. What's that? Yeah, so 14mm. Do the driver's end, then last. Alright. 2 different ends. Stick this end up here. Drill one back here. Take this out. Alright. Took that off. Take the next tube. Be drilled in this hole. About this. This hole right here we created earlier, we're gonna go to the half line. Alright. Nice. Alright. Driver's side is done. Now to the passenger side. Alright. Perfect. Alright, moment of truth. We're gonna open it. or slide it open rather. All right, hopefully this thing's unlocked. Yep. Alright. So far so good, no resistance. It's coming out smoothly. I don't know what these are, but it'll come out because they look ugly with it on. Tailgate will close properly. It's not hitting it, is it? Oh, that's good. I'm barely touching it. Ball bearings are really smooth on this. It does lock in place. Does not move. Alright. I've seen YouTube reviews where people will just lock it at any place. Let's see if it's true. So far so good. Let's choose another spot. Say like right here. Whoops. Yup, it won't move. Let's try right here. Kinda seems redundant. However, I just want to make sure it's true. And it doesn't move. Yep, so far so good. So this is as far back as a tonneau cover can go back. Let's see if it can lock in place. Yep, it's locked. It's not going anywhere. This thing is super smooth. And it does lock in every position as advertised. Thank you for watching. See ya.